Hey everybody, we wanted to do a video on changing the controls. So if you happen to have a game that you don't have the joystick working and like specifically this one here is a N64 game. Some N64 games use the D-pad, some use the analog stick. It's hard to tell which is which. So figured this video would kind of help out. So what you want to do is you want to hit your bottom left button and coin at the same time. That's going to bring up RetroArch. You want to go down to controls and you want to hit your bottom left button, which is your B button. You want to go down to port 1 controls, and you will do this on both port 1 and port 2 controls. Once you go in, your up, down, left, and right will be set up for the joystick player 1 up, and then joystick player 1 down, and of course for same thing for left and right. You want to go ahead and change those to the control stick Y minus for up. You want to change down to Y plus. You want to change left to X minus, and you want to change right to X plus. Now, one thing I will mention is you want to make sure that it says control stick, not C buttons. So the C buttons do have the Y minus, Y plus, X minus, and X plus. So just make sure that it is the control stick that you're setting it to. Now, once you select that, and you can just hit left or right on the joystick until you see the control stick options here to select. Once you do that, go ahead and hit your middle bottom button and you will back out one screen. You will go to manage remap files. Now I've already saved this. So what you want to do is when you go in, you're going to have an option to save core remap file. Go ahead and save it to the core remap. That's going to set all the games on this setup in this system to the same layout for the joystick. Once you do that, go ahead and hit your middle bottom button twice and just go up to resume. And once you resume the game, the joystick will now be working. If y'all need anything else, let us know.